Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact in VR. First, understand that Genshin Impact does not have official virtual reality support. To experience the game in VR, you will need to use third-party tools and modifications. This process requires a powerful gaming PC and a compatible VR headset to ensure a smooth and immersive experience. Before diving in, ensure your PC is ready. You'll need a powerful system, ideally with a high-end graphics card, to handle both Genshin Impact and the VR rendering. Next, install all the required software and drivers for your specific VR headset. Once installed, connect your headset to your PC and perform a quick test to confirm everything is working correctly. Now, let's get to the core of the VR experience, the mod. Search for a reliable third-party VR mod specifically designed for Genshin Impact. Once you've found one, download it and carefully follow the installation instructions provided by the mod developer. After installation, take some time to configure the mod settings to achieve the best balance between visual quality and smooth performance on your system. With the mod installed, launch Genshin Impact through its dedicated VR interface. You might need to experiment with in-game graphics settings to find what feels most comfortable and performs best in VR. Remember, a smooth frame rate is crucial for immersion and to prevent motion sickness. For an even better home setup, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy exploring Teyvat in a whole new dimension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.